Most homeowners are told that a higher SEER rating is a guaranteed win for their wallet, but they're never told about the cabinet tax. If you buy a system with an open wire grill just to chase an efficiency number, you're leaving your most expensive component, the condenser coil, completely exposed to hail, rocks, and the neighborhood weed whacker. I'm HVAC repair guy. My perspective comes from 17 years in the field and a background in Navy nuclear power, where we value physical protection as much as performance. I've seen enough crushed fins to know that a spec sheet doesn't tell the whole story. Today, we're looking at GE and Tempstar to see if extra efficiency is worth trading away your unit's physical armor. We are comparing the GE NS17A and the Tempstar T5A8T. At first glance, this looks like a battle of efficiency, with Tempstar boasting a higher SEER 2 rating. However, the real conflict here is in the build quality. One system is built like a tank with louvered steel panels, while the other relies on a basic wire grill that offers almost zero protection for the delicate coils inside. The GE NS17A delivers 17 SEER 2, whereas the Tempstar T5A8T hits 18 SEER 2. On paper, that extra point sounds great, but in a real-world residential setting, that 1 point difference is negligible on your monthly bill. You are looking at a difference of maybe a few dollars a month, not enough to justify a major compromise in how the machine is actually put together. This is where the GE NS17A takes the lead. It features full louvered steel panels. This isn't just for looks. It protects the aluminum fins from being crushed. The Tempstar T5A8T, conversely, uses a wire grill. While this allows for high airflow, it leaves your coil wide open to the elements. One bad hailstorm can flatten those Tempstar fins, instantly killing the very efficiency you paid extra to get. A 3-ton GE NS17A typically runs between $8,500 and $10,500 installed. The Tempstar T5A8T usually hits a higher bracket, often $9,200 to $11,500. You're essentially paying a $1,000 premium for a slightly higher efficiency rating and a wire cage design that is cheaper for the manufacturer to produce than the GE's heavy-duty louvered cabinet. Both units offer a standard 10-year parts warranty. Tempstar does include a 5-year no-hassle replacement warranty, which covers the unit if a major component like the compressor fails. It's a nice safety net for the first 5 years, but it doesn't protect you from the external physical damage that a wire grill cabinet is prone to over the full 15 to 20-year life of the system. When you look at the $1,000 price gap, the choice becomes clear. The Tempstar asks for more money up front for a fragile design. The GE gives you the armored cabinet for less money while still providing 17 SEER 2 efficiency. Over 15 years, the GE is the more stable investment because it's much more likely to maintain its efficiency rating by keeping its coils in one piece. The trade-off is simple. Do you want a paper-thin efficiency advantage, or do you want a machine built to survive the outdoors? The GE wins because it offers the best balance of high efficiency and superior cabinet protection. Its louvered panels ensure the unit stays efficient for its entire lifespan. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC Dash for dashbeginners.com.